So now let's see how we can work around with Sepia Toning option inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and work around with Sepia Toning, you need to go around onto the File menu and then go ahead onto Import right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you simply need to go ahead and choose an image that you want to apply the Sepia Toning to. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and select out, let's say, this particular picture right here, and then drag this out right here to apply Sepia Toning to it. So now in order to go ahead and do that, I need to go around under the effects menu, and then what I need to do is go around over here onto camera and then choose Sepia Toning right here. So once you do that, you can see that it actually looks like an old image. You can go ahead and change the amount of age right here, as you can see right here, just like this. You can really increase this out to make it look like an old picture, or decrease this out to make it much more black and white, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is what you have. So you can see the before and after, and that is how you can simply add in the Sepia Toning onto the picture of your choice inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.